Need to make sure only users of a certain age can submit your gravity form, whether it's for an event, a product, or a lead form. Here's how to easily add age verification. No coding required. Let's walk through the steps. First, install and activate AntiSpam Pro for Gravity Forms. The download link for the plugin is in description. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and go to Forms, then click on Booster. Choose the form where you want to apply age verification. On the left-hand menu, find the Anti-Spam panel. Now navigate to Validation section and enable Form Validation. From the Verification Type drop-down, choose Age. Set your age criteria. For example, users must be at least 18 years old. Customize the heading, message, and button text to match your form style. Click Save. That's it. Now when someone opens the form, they will be asked to enter their age first. If they meet your age rule, the form appears. If not, they will see your custom message. Thanks for watching.